reclaim performance.
Hey guys, got a short little video here today. I'm actually taking the S10 over to my buddy's shop. He owns Brutal Speed and Tuning, and he's gonna do some dyno tuning on this thing. See how this goes. Should be pretty interesting. I think it's still on factory tune, so I'm hoping there's plenty of room for improvement. And if you haven't noticed, it's a pretty beautiful day outside. So I was hoping to get some nice pulls in beforehand, just to kind of show you before and after, but I don't know if I really trust this truck in the rain. But we'll head on down there to the shop and pick it up there. We made it. It's been a few days since the dyno trip, and I wanted to make sure that it was going to be nice outside, so you could actually see me, make some pulls without spinning. So basically, here's what happened. All right, ended up with 280 horsepower and 324 foot-pounds of torque. Yep. And the first run, he had to let off early, and it put down 274 horsepower, so it's only a gain of 6, but he was having issues with fuel pump being maxed out. So he started on the first pull and it was just super lean, so he tried fattening it up as much as he could, and but he still needed it to be safe. And plus, that fuel pump, it's the factory fuel pump, so if any of you guys are doing this swapping or wondering, a 6-liter with a factory 4.3 fuel pump isn't optimal. I mean, this one, my buddy Nigel at Brutal Speed, he said with the upgraded fuel pump might be able to get another 10 horsepower or so, but he's got it tuned at a safe AFR, so I'm good to go. And honestly, I probably won't change the fuel pump unless I do a cam or something else. Who knows what I'm gonna do. But yeah, we'll go ahead and take a little rip in this thing and see how it goes. All right, my wife got me this nice Hero 8 black GoPro for Christmas, so I got it strapped to my head, and I got this GPS app on my phone here, so I hope you guys can see it. Whoa, that didn't work. Not too bad. Not too bad. Need to do brakes in this thing. We'll go ahead and turn around. All right. If this thing didn't wheel hop so bad, I'd try a launch. I may just see what I can do with feathering it. Short shift there. Guess I probably need to drive this thing a little easier now. I'm pretty happy with it, and again, you know, it didn't make huge gains, which, yeah, it's on me because of the fuel pump, as much as I want to blame Nigel. But yeah, if you guys need any dyno tuning done or anything, you can hit up Nigel at Brutal Speed and Tuning, and I'll post, he actually has a YouTube channel. I'll post a link to that and a link to his Instagram so you can see what kind of stuff he's up to. I'm gonna start working on this thing some more. Gonna address the rear end issue. Right now, my plan is to just put the factory leaf springs back under this with just a small 2-inch block for now, unless something happens and get a wild hair up my ass and decide to do a 4-link, which still debating on that. I don't know if I want to dump another, I don't know how much into this thing right now, but baby steps. It's gonna happen eventually. So yeah, if you guys want to keep watching some videos on this truck, you know, just hit the subscribe button, and if you enjoyed this video, hit the like. If not, let me know what you'd like to see different. You know, I'm open to all opinions out there and suggestions, constructive criticism, as long as it's not too mean. You know, I'm pretty sensitive. But all right, guys, I appreciate it. Take it easy.